Hello guys, how to install Composer on Windows 11 and Windows 10. You can easily install Composer websites on your Windows 11 and 10 system. To do so, first launch your Google Chrome browser and here look for Composer website. Press enter and click on first appeared result, Composer. Click on it. A dependency. Get Composer, a dependency manager for PHP. Here click on getting started. Click on it and under appeared menus under installation windows click on using the installer. Click on this link using the installer under installation windows and here click on composer setup.exe link. Click on it. It will take some time. After downloading, open this setup.exe file, composer setup.exe, and click on install for all users recommended. And installation options, choose your installation type. Setup will install Composer to a fixed location for all users. This includes a control panel uninstaller and is the recommended option. Click next to use it. Click on next. And follow on-screen instruction to complete the process. Choose the you want to use, browse your system and choose a command line PHP from which you want to use Composer and follow on-screen instruction to complete the process.